Hey guys, it's Chris, being a craftsman, and welcome to Wood Workshop. And today's quick tip video is really kind of more or less just to do a little bit of spring cleaning. Well, actually, I want to call it more of a winter cleaning, because if you're maybe like me and you burn wood, whether you burn it to heat your home or you burn it outside in a fire bowl, lots of times you need wood to start the fire up, to get it roaring before you start putting other wood in there. But also, if you're like me, in the workshop you end up with a lot of cut-off boards, a lot of cut-off wood. Some of it can be really small, and for those little small things, I recommend just putting them in a bucket, and then when it's that time of season, just take the bucket and start putting them in your wood stove or your fire bowl or whatever, and it gives you the ability to just burn them up. It saves you throwing them in the trash or just simply trying to put them in a decomposing pile. Or the other thing you could do as well is look at all the wood stock that you've got. So, you know, we're in this time of year right now, we're starting to use a lot more wood to burn in our house. And I've got all this wood, and about every single year I'll go through all the wood that I have and just pick out the stuff that I don't think I'm going to use, or maybe stuff that I've held on for a little too long thinking I would use. And I'll either cut it up, split it with a little axe or something of that nature, and then I'll put it in a little kindling pile, just so that you've got wood on hand ready to go, and you also know it's completely dry and it's ready to burn. So my tip in a summary tip for you is to go through your wood, go through your stockpile, go through your scrap bin, collect all the wood that you don't need or you've let set for so long that you've almost forgotten about, put it in a pile and use it for kindling to start fires, whether you've got a wood insert, a wood stove, or even just a fire bowl outside. So that's my tip for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of that, and I'll see you next time in the workshop.